Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Hayden from hhwcustoms.com and I wanted to show you some of the new bed fillers that I made for the 83 Silverado. Now this is the hot wheel casting that you can see, and there's no modifications done at all. It's still relatively stock besides some paint. But I had gone ahead and made some 3D parts of different trades. So we have a gardening one, a pressure washing, metal man, a welder, and then a painter. And these are just bed fillers that will add a little more detail to the builds, so I thought I would show you them. So this is the first one. This is the gardener one. And you can see I had painted this one up. I just started with a flat black, and I went ahead with some different markers and paints, stuff like that, just to get it. But this is what it looks like raw when it comes out of the printer. So there you go. So when you guys order from my website, this is what you guys will get. That way you guys have all the freedom and customization that you want to change stuff up as you see fit. The next one up is the pressure washing one. Now this is just now this is something I thought would be cool to make. I don't really see too much stuff like that, but you can see it has extra little details in there. You got the extra little pressure washing guns, the spools of the hoses, and different buckets and all that. You can see I painted it up here again, starting with flat black, going along with some brushes and markers, just whatever I needed. Third on the list is the Metal Man one. I always thought these kind of trucks were cool, just stacking a bunch of stuff in them. But this is what one looks like. You can see the raw version there. Has a bike, has a radio flyer in there, trash cans, just some empty boxes and washing machines, stuff like that. And you can see this one's painted up here. Just a little more extra detail, a little more color. Next up was actually a request from someone who wanted welders to put in the back of the beds of the trucks, and I said I'll do you one better and made a whole thing. So these are the big ones that you see, and I made two of them in there. There's two welders, or two welders. There's a big one there, and then there's this more portable one. Welding mask, toolboxes, all the tanks and all the hoses and wires, whatever. And then this is what it looks like, all painted up. This one I didn't do too much detail on it, but there's still a lot more you can go. And then last but not least is the painter's one. A lot of people seem to be liking this one. I feel like a lot of people have seen trucks like this with just a bunch of ladders and paint cans in their neighborhood before. So I thought this would be something cool to make. You can see the ladders, different step stools, and just different buckets of paint. And again, you guys will see, you guys are able to customize as much as you want. The colors. And I'll do a quick test fit on all those to show you how they fit. They actually have this little channel cut out so you know which way to face. So this goes over that little tank thing that they have in there, which I really hope that they change the casting up and get rid of that, because that is a bit annoying. But there you go. You can see it sinks in just a little bit. Doesn't rattle too much, but again, it leaves you to be able to just put it in and remove it back and forth as many you want. So that's the gardening one, and then if I wanted to put in the pressure washing one, there you go. Oh. There you go, it's just easy just like that. And again, these all do fit right in. There's no modification needed at all. Everyone has this channel cut in to get it to fit nice and easy. Move on to the next one here. This is the Metal Man one. I try to make it, not make it over large so it doesn't go over the cab of the bed. This is just a little bit, but I still think it looks pretty cool like that. Like a door or a window or something like that. Wasn't really sure what I was going with it, just kind of made something up and was doing that. You can see the bike is painted up. A few of these were actually painted up by Jimmy's Hot Wheels on Instagram. He has some pictures on it too if you guys want to go check it out. And this is the welder's one. Again, some smaller details painted up. Next is the painter, last one. Painter, you can see it sunk in a little bit. Again, all these are made to not sit on top of the bed. It's made to look like they're sitting in the bed, like they're supposed to. I think those are really cool. Again, all have the cutouts so you know exactly which way to face them. And yeah. So you guys can go get those on my website. It's hhwcustoms.com. And I'll leave a link in the description for each of these. You guys can just go down there, click, and be sent right to them. And yeah, you guys can get your own. And then for those of you guys that were interested in these but don't want to go overkill with all that stuff, I actually did make just the removable toolbox that you see, the chrome ones usually. And they fit just like that in the back of the beds. has a little bit of a tolerance, but I mean, I think that's better than having it too tight in there and not being able to remove it and scratching up the paint job. But there you go, it sits right in it. And if you actually, let's see if this could catch on camera, it actually has a little lock holes. There's two. There's one right there. There's one right there on the little wall that extruded there. But I thought that was pretty cool, extra little detail that some people actually do like more than the bed fillers. So I thought that was a great option. But this is also available on my website, so if you guys want to go check it out, it's hhwcustoms.com, and the link will also be in the description for the website as a whole. As of January 1st, I have new wheels that have come in. I'm still expecting more, and a lot of my older 3D parts will be restocked very soon, so keep an eye out for that, or sign up for my newsletter. If you go onto my homepage on my website, it's just all the way down, put your email in, and you'll get a notification whenever I send out a sale flyer or a discount code or something along those lines. That way you guys can stay up to date with all the new things happening in my shop. You guys can also follow my Instagram at hhwcustoms.com. And if you guys have any suggestions for 3D parts that you want to see be made, feel free to leave them in a comment below or email me, and I will try to get those as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.